टेरेंस, सबसे पहले तो आपके एक्ट के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे एंड सेम यू ऑल्सो कि कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और कितना नर्वस है कि कल रिहर्सल के बारे में।
3 साल के बाद मैं ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस दे रहा हूँ जहाँ पे वो मतलब बिना कट के जनरली हमें सहूलियत दी जाती है कि यार एक टेक करो, 2 टेक करो, 3 टेक करो और बेस्ट ऑफ 3 लेके एडिट किया जाता है। लेकिन दिस इज स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस लाइव, तो थोड़ा धक धक हो रहा है। और मेरे साथ है राधिका आप्टे जी, जिसका मैं बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ। शी इज़ बीन अ फैबुलस एक्ट्रेस, इंटरनेशनली एक्लेम्ड, और इट्स जस्ट सच अ प्लेजर बिकॉज कंप्लीट मतलब चौंका दिया हमें, क्योंकि हमने सोचा था कि जब कोरियोग्राफर स्वरूप जो हमें कोरियोग्राफ कर रहे हैं, इज़ ब्रिलियंट एंड ग्रेट कोरियोग्राफी ऑल्सो। जब उन्होंने कोरियोग्राफ किया था तो उन्होंने बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट किया था। और एक्चुअली राज की बात बताऊँ कि इसका खुलासा आप करता हूँ कि हम दोनों ने बोला था कि यार कोरियोग्राफी तो टफ़ है लेकिन चेंज करना पड़ेगा, हीरोइन है, आएगी, बोलेगी ये मैं नहीं करूँगी, ये मैं नहीं करूँगी। बट सरप्राइज़ की बात ये है, इत्तेफाक की बात यह है कि जब वो आई उन्होंने खुद ने सब कुछ सीख लिया एक ही दिन में, एंड शी वॉज ब्रिलियंट एट इट। एंड फिर जाके खुलासा हुआ कि मैडम जी CQV डांसर है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये अभी जब अभी मेरा मतलब आई एम गोइंग टू बी सो एम्बैरेस्ड टुमारो व्हेन वी परफॉर्म। टेरेंस, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस टू मी?
No, I'm not saying she's like a trained बचपन से, but she has done some amount of training because balletic training is there.
Yeah, but still this is very different for me. It's
Yeah.
extraordinarily challenging. I am very stressed.
The challenging part is not the dance, it is the filmy jhatka, the filmy nazaka. And it starts with ooh, do it.
And
ooh, ah,
shirt.
shirt, खींचो, कपड़े फाड़ो. It's a very romantic act. It's a romantic act which Saroop has set. Saroop is the choreographer and he has set a beautiful act. 3 गाने लिए हैं. ये basically is for dedicated to Asha Bhosle ji. Both of us are huge fans, grown up listening to all her songs. And उन्होंने ये select किया है. She's handpicked these songs and said, Radhika ji and Terence, will do these 3 songs for me, and I want a very sensuous, hot act. So I'm wondering why me and why her. Of course she's hot, but I was wondering why me. And then she said, "Yeah, I want you to do it." And I said, "Okay, why not?" And the 3 songs that जो उन्होंने select किया है, one is from 70s, which is so it's 70s, 80s, 90s, retro 70s, 80s, 90s. 70s basically Amitabh Bachchan song "Aaj Rapat" with Smita Patil in the rain, बारिश में. So it's a romantic, balletic, Bollywood salsa, Bolly salsa act. दूसरा गाना 80s है विच इज़ फ्रॉम माई फेवरेट फिल्म सागर, रमेश सिप्पी का, यू नो बिटवीन ऋषि कपूर एंड यू नो द मोस्ट रोमांटिक सॉन्ग डिम्पल कपाडिया, यू नो क्या है आओ ना या पास आओ ना, क्या है पहला
पास
आओ ना, जाने दो ना इस फर्स्ट जाने दो, so it's जाने दो ना, then I say pass आओ ना, why not, okay? And उसके बाद it's the 90s, this Radhika's era, so she'll say it's from देखा तेरी मस्ती, अक्षय कुमार and Ayesha Julka, खिलाड़ी. So 3 very very hot, very sensuous songs, and ये हम लोग recreate करने वाले, but इसका recreation is not going to be fully Bollywood, उसको हम एक twist दे रहे हैं. And that twist is basically a little bit of international styles with a Bollywood, you know, Bollywood flavor and tadka. Radhika is going to do, you know, what she never does. She's a very, matlab, you know, she's very one of those, you know, very serious actor, you know, who doesn't do these kitsch films.
No, it's because I can't do them. I have tremendous respect for people who do that, and I'm
And
trying
you're doing a
very
great
hard.
job.
No,
Secretly, you always
yeah.
wanted to do this.
Yeah, I've grown up watching them, and I've grown up like, you know, having posters around my walls. But it's very I'm really stressed. It's great choreography. You are a fantastic dancer. You're stressing me more, and I'm very messy right
No,
now.
but it's great chemistry also. I
yeah.
really enjoy dancing with her. She's बहुत इतनी पतली है यार, तो बहुत आसान है नाचते हैं.
I can lift me.
उठाने में कोई problem
I
नहीं है.
don't feel very guilty.
आशा जी के ऐसे कोई 2 सॉन्ग जो अभी भी आपको बहुत अच्छे, जो बचपन में भी सुनने हैं आपने और बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है?
मेरा एक फेवरेट गाना है फ्रॉम अगेन इट इज़ फ्रॉम जया बच्चन फिल्म, जब वो बहादुरी थी, बहादुरी नॉट बहादुरी. नो, ये गाना क्यों मुझे पसंद है, बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम अ सिंगर हैज टेकन अ बेस नोट. जनरली ऑल Hindi film singers they sing very high pitch. They always sing very soprano and they go very high. First time I heard a female singer take a very low note, so I was like, wow. Composition again, R.D. Burman, superb. Kishore Kumar along with Asha Bhosle ji, fabulous. It was one of my most amazing iconic songs, I think, when I was listening to it. And मैं काफ़ी competition जीत चुका हूँ. Of course, I mean, I can't sing like Kishore Kumar, but you know, in college days I used to sing this song, and it was always a big hit. So you know, it was great. It's my lucky iconic song. Radhika, what about you?
My favorite song is Yai Re from Rangila, and that's what I grew up listening
Correct,
to and watching. And I remember in like school and all that, we used to just go Yai Re, Yai Re. It's like, and Tanha both.
Yeah.
We used to just like completely.
Tanha,
So anyway,
how she has sang it is fabulous.
oh my god, it's superb. I absolutely love it.
As we know, आपका आज बर्थडे है, तो
Yeah.
तो बॉलीवुड में आप सबसे पहले विश किसने किया आपको?
बॉलीवुड में सबसे मैं उठी हूँ बहुत देर से, तो जब मैं उठी तो बहुत मैसेजेस थे, तो पहला किसका मैसेज आया मुझे याद नहीं याद है यार.
तो मतलब आशा जी का बर्थडे है और
Yes.
अपने बर्थडे पे उनके लिए परफॉर्मेंस करनी, मतलब
जी.
Today is her birthday, by the way.
Yeah.
आज उनका birthday
And
है,
I'm
but see
working
how
all
dedicated
day.
she is, which is great. She's
Look
come
at-
for rehearsal.
Yeah, I look like shit. I'm working all day.
You're looking great without
Thank
makeup.
you.
This is Radhika, and looking absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, and I'm so happy that I am like one day earlier before
Before her,
Asha ji, and we both have Virgos.
Perfectionist. इतनी रिहर्सल करती है कि मैं थक गया
नहीं,
हूँ.
2 दिन की रिहर्सल है, इतना परफेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा.
देयर इज अ सोर्स इज गोइंग इन बॉलीवुड के आशा जी पे ना बायोपिक बन रही है जिसपे प्रियंका जी उनका रोल प्ले करने हैं, तो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
Who's playing Lata Mangeshkar?
I don't know, but R.D. Burman.
R.D. Burman, yeah.
Role
Yeah.
playing
Because
Aamir
these
Khan.
3, Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
is this real news?
Yeah, the
Really?
source is going in Bollywood.
Very interesting because her relationship with
Yeah.
the Mangeshkar sisters,
Yeah.
that combination was one strong combination. Then R.D. Burman coming in is another combination.
Who's
Great.
making it?
I don't know, but going on. मतलब-
Once the news comes, I think it'll be more solid. But I think it's amazing. They
think
should
it's
make it. They
any-
have to make it.
Yeah.
These people are legendary.
Yeah, absolutely. It has to be made. I hope they make it.
And you know what is interesting is this is my assumption कि जब शायद आशा भोसले ने जब तब गाया था हेलेन के लिए and all the item songs, I don't think she must have got that much of respect as she got after.
Right.
When people started making remixes and saying what amazing songs these are and how well she has sung it, I think that's when posthumously She got respect because I think in the 70s people were like, hey, this is item song, hey, this is only for there was a certain kind of a disrespect, not for the voice but for the association of that voice, because it was always cabaret, and I don't think we were that liberated. We were not so one with it. So in my opinion, I think more not in terms of but respect for those songs, respect not for Asha ji but respect for the songs and how well she sung it, and how she had to really work on the timbre to suit, because they were difficult songs. It's not an easy song to sing a cabaret. To sing a cabaret in an Indian context must have been difficult, but nobody must have realized. I don't think everybody, the masses, realized the hard work that took, and that too in one take. See, that time it was not like, okay, ek line gao, cut, ek line gao, cut. You have to sing the whole song. I remember I used to go for recordings that time. I used to give my voice as an artist, as a kid. I used to see Lata Mangeshkar ji. I used to see them in the studios and 40 violinists and everybody. And I was like, wow, I'm lucky I saw that. So that hard work was just incredible. And to do it in one take and to have that quality, I think it's nothing but geniusness. But fortunately, she lived to see that people appreciated it. Generally, people, many times, but people generally, posthumously get recognized. But this is great that she's alive. People respect her for her work done then and even for her work done now, which is fabulous. So deep respect.
As we know, आपने सभी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को कोरियोग्राफ किया डांस के लिए.
सभी नहीं, कुछ लोगों को किया है.
सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस किसके साथ है?
एक तो I will insult my own self. I am not the most popular Bollywood choreographer because मैंने बहुत कम फिल्में की, because I really didn't enjoy that space. That's one. Two is secondly, मैंने जिनको कोरियोग्राफ किया था वो एक पिक्चर के बाद she didn't become very successful. That woman was Antara Mali in Nach.
My God, she was.
So we worked for 3 months. Because she came and saw my show and then she said मुझे ये वाला डांस करना है. ये क्या है? It's contemporary. तब DID हुआ भी नहीं था. ये DID के पहले था 2005 में. So she came, she trained, she lost weight, she worked hard, and she really worked hard and she changed herself. This is one actress who dedicated 3 months for choreography because the film was about a choreographer. And how she's not, whatever, her story. The film didn't do very well, but critically acclaimed for acting and for
I really liked the
story.
film.
The story was very ahead of its time. बहुत आगे थी ना पिक्चर. अपन उस टाइम के लिए नहीं थी. तो बहुत आगे थी वो पिक्चर. उसकी एक्टिंग, उसकी जो भावना थी, वो लोग समझ नहीं पाए. और बहुत ही स्लो थी फिल्म और उसमें गहराई थी और ठहराव था. ये हमारे पल्ले नहीं पड़ने वाला है. हमें सब कुछ फटाफट दुकान चाहिए. So somewhere it lost, but it's a beautiful film. Beautifully shot, one of Ram Gopal Varma's very nice hatke films. Some generally makes to make masala films or used to make high Satya or Company or Sarkar, and this was a very different genre, which is very different and very intelligent. It's an intelligent film, but the choreography was very good there. I think we did a good job. Even Abhishek Bachchan danced very well in that song. So I think there was a lot of cinematic liberty and we did very well. Deepika in Ram Leela was a breeze because it was not much to do. And मैंने ज़्यादा फिल्में नहीं की यार. मैं क्यों अपना आप पढ़ाया? I'm a failed choreographer in Bollywood. Yeah, I'm a very good judge on TV, but I'm a failed choreographer in Bollywood. Yeah, that's the truth.
One wish for Asha ji.
One wish for Asha ji. What can we say? Asha ji, please continue singing and please continue giving your voices to all the young heroes and heroines. Heroines. Not heroes. That would be completely wrong. I mean, what I meant is for films. Continue giving your voice for films and continue to be the person you are. What I love about Asha ji is she's so young at heart.
Yeah.
She's so must. At 83, she can still rock 20s. Yeah. That's what she's still very young at heart, and that's what has kept her so alive. So somewhere I feel वो जिंदा दिली, वो जो a certain sense of naughtiness, a certain sense of what she had in her voice, it's also in her personality. और वो personality बरकरार रहे, यही हमारी दुआ है. And may you have a very healthy life, happy life.
I feel the same. You've said so much. I feel the same, and wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Thank you so
tomorrow.
much. Thank you.
All the best.